Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, you will get to know how you can get AI on Snapchat. But first, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's start. Open your Snapchat account and then tap on the Bitmoji icon on top left corner of your screen. Now, if your Snapchat is updated, you will get this Snapchat Plus option on your screen. But if it's not, then first you need to update your Snapchat. And when it's done, tap on this Snapchat Plus option and then simply buy the subscription. Right now, subscription is not available in my region. But once you're done subscribing, you will get your AI on Snapchat, and that you can get by going back to the main Snapchat screen. Then tap on the chat icon on the bottom bar.